Wow, wow, wow. It's rain caught me in the jungle. My fans working very hard in the jungle. Luckily, I find this small cave. Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Welcome, my fans. So I'm here in the jungle. Big and dirty. See, yeah, it's raining now. Doing some serious work in the jungle. God provide the cave for me. That's good. Awesome, I have this cave. I'm so tired now. Welcome, welcome. Me adjust my hat in the jungle. Special welcome wherever you're coming from. Very tired, man. Let me check the face here. Very tired. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and watch the video to the end. I'm in the jungle. In a cave, my feet them well dirty. I'm perching on this rock. So the rain caught me. I don't know if I'll be able to make it home tonight. Or I have to just spend the night in this cave maybe. Think I might have to spend the night here. OMG. It's a rain caught me in the jungle. I didn't know. This is a blessing, shower of blessings anyway. Big up all my fans them who like my channel. Be nice and give the video a like. We like rain videos. I was doing so much work and here came the rain. Spring rain, this is a blessing here. Everything will be blessed what I'm doing. My hands will be blessed. Thanks all of my fans who are watching my videos. Them, you know, whenever time I get the chance. Like my playlist videos them. Special big up. Me have to big up them people. Them always watch my videos them. To try and increase the hours. Namely, Cecile, Cathy, Myla, Stonebreeze in Ghana, Andrea, Captain Frenchman out of Kenya, and many other people. Big up and more blessing from Kojak in the jungle here. Been tiling. One man working in the jungle with the machete. Put them big and dirty. Black and dirty now. Let me show you my foot how them dirty. See it? Hard working. OMG. It's a good thing, say. We have water to bathe off all these foot later. To dirty feet. We like to see the rain. Once I did have a lot of coffee what I planted right below, but disease wipe out them. It's raining in the jungle, man. I'm looking at the smoke puffing. Oh my God, it's a nice feeling. Relaxing, feeling the cave. See the roof here? Oh God, it's nice. I'm not wetting. I'm not wetting at all. It's rock of the Almighty rock formation. Just a very small cave. Not a large cave, you know. Small cave, but I'm not wetting. I'm safe. We don't know, as I said, if I will make it home tonight. Or I have to just stay in the jungle. bounce it out, rough it up. Big up Jamaican people that watch this video. Americans, Africans, Canadian, Europeans, Australians, people in Brazil, Central America, South America, North America, Canada, big up, UK, whole of Europe. We live out in the country. When you know hear when a name called, big up, big up, big up, welcome, welcome to my channel. And a rainy April. It's nice we having rain in April. #25 of April 2025. What a nice spring rain, my God. Some of my fans them like to hear the rain, It's been a while I don't hear from Beth, B-E-T-H, nice lady. Marsha, big up yourself up there in Canada. Love one in Canada, big up. Looking at the rain and hearing the sound of the rain. I love that. Cave, the roof, rock formation. What a nice scenery. This little lifestyle here is awesome.